Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, go ahead and throw on your running shoes, grab your phone and your car keys, and start heading for the door because we have an amazing run glitch going on right now at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a few other DG videos for you all this week. We have tons of glitches going on. We've got freebies, overages, plus we have an awesome 3-day sale with tons of savings that is coming up. And we also have new clearance markdowns and penny lists for this week. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. And I also want to go ahead and wish everybody a happy Halloween. Now, let's go ahead and talk about this run glitch deal. First up, this is a pickup order only glitch. Yes, I have tried this in store, at the self-checkout, at the regular register, and this is only working as a pickup order. Now, also, don't forget that because this is a run glitch deal, it can end at any time. Glitches are just that. They're a glitch in the system, and they can be fixed at any time. So, if you have been keeping up this week and watching all of my videos, you already know that our home sale event, our buy one get one free sale on toss pillows, floral arrangements, lamps, clocks, furniture, shelving, and baskets, that sale has been extended, so it will run through November the 2nd. This item that we're going to talk about here is included in this sale, and it is glitching when you put it in as a pickup order. So what you want to do is open up your app, and you are going to look for air mattresses. This one specifically right here, it is the Best Way Essential Twin Air Mattress. These are priced at $32 each. And once you find them, you are going to add 2 of them to your cart. So that normally would put you at $64. But like I said, these air mattresses are included in the buy one get one free sale, and somehow, some way it is glitching in the system, and it is actually taking off a total of $63.98. So that is going to leave you paying just 2 pennies for 2 air mattresses. Can y'all believe that? 1 penny each. Now, again, I have already tried to do this deal in store at the self-checkout and at the regular registers. Unfortunately, it did not glitch at either one for me, but I know that some of you guys have a lot of issues with getting pickup orders to work in your area. A lot of times they cancel them. So if you do want to do this deal in store, it will ring up buy one get one free. So you're going to pay $32 for 2 air mattresses, which is still a really, really good deal. So I just wanted to share that with you all for those of you who cannot get the pickup orders to work for you. Again, if you want to do it in store, it's going to be $32 for 2 twin air mattresses. And this sale will run through November the 2nd. All right, now getting back to our Dollar General pickup order. Again, we're paying 2 pennies for 2 air mattresses. However, with the DG pickup, your order must be at least $1. So what I did for my pickup order was I went in, I put in Gain dish soap, and I added a $1 Gain dish soap. You guys can add anything that you want. Just make sure that it is an item for at least $1. So I ended up paying $1.11 for 2 air mattresses and 1 Gain dish soap, and that does include taxes. So what a fantastic deal. This is a crazy, crazy glitch, and I hope that you guys can get in on it. Now, when I went into the app, as you all saw, I added the Best Way air mattresses to my order. However, once I picked up my order, this is actually what they put in it. It's the Relaxed Flock Air Bed, so I'm not quite sure if they did a substitution or what, but I wanted to go ahead and share this with you all. You may receive this one instead of the Best Way brand, but either way, I'm happy. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. I hope that you guys can get out there and get in on this deal before it is gone. I'm going to get back on my DG app and try to find a couple of more stores that have these in stock. Run, run, run guys, and please come back and let me know if you score. Now again, Happy Halloween, everybody. I hope that y'all are having a fantastic day. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any crazy deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. And I will see you on the next one.